How's the present situation in Guwahati? Where are you at this point in time? Many areas have been inundated due to floods. So Arindam, give us more updates.
That's right, Priya. Few hours of heavy downpour and the city of Guwahati is witnessing the familiar scene once again. Streets of Guwahati are right now waterlogged because of few hours of heavy downpour and the people are right now left to fend for themselves. We are right now at the Rukmini Gaon area in Guwahati and here you can see that one of the street here has gone down underwater. Not only the Rukmini Gaon area, but several areas of Guwahati are right now reeling under flood waters. So we are getting reports from Hatigaon, we are getting reports from the Anil Nagar area, Chandmari area. In fact, we are getting reports that the Balaji temple is also reeling under flood waters. That's at Lokhara. So this is a familiar scene which is visible right now in Guwahati, and the sky is overcast. It's raining. Still it's raining, and if it rains more then the scenario might get worse. Right now I can tell you that people from the electricity board are here. They are disconnecting electricity connections so that there is no incident of electrocution because of this waterlogging. So apart from waterlogging, right now the people of Guwahati are facing several other problems like the shortage of drinking water. There is no electricity since last night, and this is the scene of the GS road. You can see that the water is overtopping the GS road and the vehicles are wading through this water. So this is also creating huge traffic congestion right from Khanapara area towards Ganeshkuri area, and this is the peak hour when people go to their offices, people go to schools, colleges, and at this time they are struck by this deluge once again. So this is the scene of Rukmini Gaon area, and we are getting reports from several other areas of Guwahati like the Anil Nagar area, the Chandmari area, Hatigaon area, and also the Lokhara area. So the water level of river Brahmaputra in Guwahati is still flowing above the danger level. The present water level is 49.90. That's well above the danger level. So at this point there is no scope for the sluice gates of the canals to be open to drain out the excess water from the city. So problems are getting coupled up. Pumps are being right now being used to pump out the water, but where will the excess water be pumped out? That's a big question, because the river Brahmaputra itself, to which the water is usually pumped, that is also flowing above danger level. So where will this excess water be pumped? So let me try to speak to some of the people here and get to know from them. Kenuka pani hoise?
আপুনি চাব পাৰে পানী কেনেকৈ এক আঁঠুলৈ পূৰা হৈছে। অলপ বৰষুণ দিলে আপোনাৰ ইয়াতে পূৰা পানী হৈ যায়। যিহেতু তেওঁ ৰাস্তাটোও বনাইছে, ফুটপাথটো বনাইছে, কিন্তু কেতিয়াও পানীৰ সমস্যাটো কমা নাই ইয়াতে। আপুনি ৰাস্তাটো চাব পাৰে। অলপ অসুবিধাও হয় আমাৰ অফিচ যাবলৈ। আপোনাৰ অলপ বৰষুণতে এক আঁঠু পানী হৈ যায় ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ।
এতিয়াতো আৰু বৰষুণ হৈছে আকৌ।
হয় হয়, পানীটো আৰু নকমে। আপুনি দেখিছে এঘণ্টা আপুনি আছে ইয়াতে, এক আঁঠুলৈ পানী, আৰু এতিয়ালৈ কমাই নাই, পানী উল্টা বাঢ়ি আছে। আপোনাৰ চবেই চাব পাৰে, আপুনি বেলেগ একো ক'বলগীয়া আৰু ইয়াতে একো নাই।
মানুহ কি কি অসুবিধা হৈছে
ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ এতিয়া লাইন নাই, পানীৰ অসুবিধা, ভিতৰত যিহেতু ঘৰলৈ পানী এক আঁঠু পানী হৈছে, খোৱা লোৱা কষ্ট, ওলাই আহিব নোৱাৰে একো ল'বৰ কাৰণে, আপোনাৰ কিনিবৰ কাৰণে। যিহেতু সেইটোৱে, বেলেগ একো ক'বলগীয়া আৰু একো নাই ইয়াতে।
ঠিক আছে। পানী কেনেকুৱা অৱস্থা এতিয়া?
ৰুক্মিণী গাঁৱৰ বিষয়ে ক'ব নালাগে, সকলোৱে জানে, সকলো ৰাইজে জানে। আৰু গোটাই ৰুক্মিণী গাঁও বুলি নহয়, ৰুক্মিণী গাঁও আজি 4 বছৰ 5 বছৰ আগৰ পৰাই এই পানীত ভুক্তভোগী ৰুক্মিণী গাঁও ৰাইজ। কিন্তু ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ, ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ মিনিষ্টাৰ পৰ্যন্ত শুকান হেৰিতহে খোজকাঢ়িব আহে। আজি এই পানীত এবাৰ যদি চাব আহিলে হয় পানী কেনেকুৱা, ক'ত কি হৈ আছে, তেতিয়া আমাৰ অলপ হ'লেও মানুহখিনিৰ অলপমান দুখ সুখখিনি অলপ বুজি পাল হয়। কিন্তু তথাপিও আজি আমি ইমান বছৰে আমি এই কথাটো কৈ হাফতৰি খাই গ'লোঁ। কিন্তু এই পানীত আজি ৰুক্মিণী গাঁৱৰ ভিতৰত আপোনালোকে যাওক।
All right, so we are showing you visuals from different parts of Guwahati. So on your screens are the visuals coming in from the Rukmini Gaon area. So as you can see, floods have inundated the entire Rukmini Gaon area. The office goers, the school children, the commuters, they are facing problems to get out of their homes. So normal life has been disrupted, to be precise, and many areas in Guwahati have been completely submerged. So this is the situation in Hatigaon. So as you can see on your screens, roads submerged in Hatigaon area as well. So monsoon fury can be seen in the streets of Guwahati. We are showing you visuals coming in from different areas of Guwahati. So these are visuals coming in from Rajgarh area.